Namaskar. Welcome to the weekly weather discussion on 28th July 2022. I am Dr. Anand Kumar Das from National Weather Forecasting Center of India Meteorological Department. Today already first 2 months of monsoon season is over, and here we can see the time series of daily rainfall. It is clear that now July month we have received very nice rainfall for whole country, and it is seen from the graph here. Cumulative rainfall graph is just above the normal graph, blue line, and here if you see the cumulative departure, here it is plus 10% because now it is crossed the zero line and it is lying above. And if you see the situation for four different homogeneous region, for northwest India it is plus 3%. That means now the rainfall we are getting above normal till today. And here from the daily rainfall graph, except a 1 week of the June, the rest of the time we are getting nearly normal rainfall. And in central India and south peninsular India, the rainfall is always good throughout the season, of at least at this monsoon. But for east and northeast India, the rainfall is not normal; it is below normal, and that is why we can see the departure is minus 15% for the region. And if we see what happened the last week, what was the weather, then we can see the monsoon trough. It was nearly at its normal position, although it fluctuated during the week. From the beginning week, it was embedded. It was with the eastern end was over Odisha, associated with the cyclonic circulation, and then that cyclonic circulation actually moved along the trough, and then it was also embedded with the low over East Rajasthan on 24th, and that low actually gradually moved towards South Pakistan and Kutch region. Then on 25th and 26th, it reached northwest Arabian Sea or adjoining northeast Arabian Sea. It lied over there, and then on 27th, again the monsoon trough came back to its normal position, western end at least, and then eastern end gradually moved northward. And at the same time, here in southern peninsula, we have seen the north-south trough on 22nd, 23rd. It was little bit west, running along the coastline, but in 26th and 28th, it was from north interior Karnataka Komorin region, and then at the same time also over on the South Andaman Sea and surrounding area, we have seen cyclonic circulation from 25th to 28th, and 27th one cyclonic circulation over just Bay of Bengal of Andhra and Tamil Nadu coast. And in between the week on 22nd, we have seen a western disturbance just passed over the northern India, and 23rd it became low marked. So these were the weather, and due to that, what happened during the week, the rainfall. This is the 22nd realized rainfall. Here we can see the rainfall distribution in dots. Here, if the dots are yellow, orange, or red, that is above heavy rainfall. So heavy rainfall is yellow, very heavy is orange, and extremely heavy rainfall is red. So during 22nd, there was no extremely heavy to very heavy rainfall happened over West Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal region, and heavy rainfall over Haryana, Chandigarh, East Uttar Pradesh. Here we can see the yellow dots. Yes, East Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, then Assam, Meghalaya, Northeast, and Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu region. Then 23rd, Here we can see that extremely heavy rainfall happened over Telangana region. Here red dots are available, Telangana region, and then heavy to very heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh, and then we can East Rajasthan, then Jammu and Kashmir, Chhattisgarh region have the very heavy to very heavy and isolated heavy rainfall over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh, East Madhya Pradesh, Marathwada, Sikkim, and North Interior, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Karaikal region, and also coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam. So that was the 23rd. This is 24th. We can see heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred over West Madhya Pradesh and very and extremely heavy also we can see West Madhya Pradesh. Then heavy to very heavy over Chhattisgarh, Madhya Maharashtra, Bihar, Konkan, here this area, and Himachal Pradesh at this cluster. And heavy rainfall over West Rajasthan, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, and East Madhya Pradesh. Then West Bengal, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, and South Interior, Karnataka, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Punjab. So this is the distribution of 24th, 25th, little less rain compared to 24th, but still heavy to very heavy rainfall observed over East Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat region, this region, and heavy isolated heavy rainfall over West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, Odisha, Konkan area, Madhya Maharashtra, West Bengal, Sikkim, and Assam Meghalaya region. Then 26th again rainfall increased as this 26th this was monsoon trough was over this region, and we can see that extremely heavy rainfall occurred over East Rajasthan, and this there was a low on 24th, and it actually moved this way, and that's why we can get heavy and extremely heavy rainfall here over this region. And then West Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat region, the Telangana, Tamil Nadu continuously got heavy rainfall, and Nagaland, Mizoram, those are isolated places. But the heavy rainfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, East Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Marathwada, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and North Interior Karnataka. Then 27th, again the heavy to very heavy rainfall happened over East Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal region. And heavy rainfall over Punjab, East Rajasthan, and East Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat region, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Marathwada, and Telangana, and Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura region. Today, actually, this is the rainfall scenario observed. So, heavy to very heavy rainfall occurred over Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, then East Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, South Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Madhya Maharashtra, Gujarat region, Rayalaseema, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu region, and also Kerala. Now, this is the whole week, the cumulative scenario. Here we can see more than 10 centimeter rain occur many places all over the country. We can see a lot of red dots. Now, due to this rain, what was the subdivision wise picture for this week? This left side panel, we can see that it is 12 plus 7 plus 5. So 24 subdivision, actually more than normal. Only deficient or large deficient is 10 plus 2 for this week. But throughout the season, we can see only 7 subdivision is deficient, otherwise all other subdivision is above normal. And large excess we can see 5 subdivision. And for this week it is for whole country as a whole plus 7%, although the east northeast is minus 22%, other part north and northwest actually plus 45%. So that means northwest India got good rainfall, and other central and southern peninsula near normal. And if a seasonal picture, we have already discussed that minus 15% east and northeast, other part actually positive, southern peninsula plus 30%. And this is the synoptic system of today. This is the monsoon trough location. That western edge is at near normal, but eastern edge is little north of its normal position. And there is also north-south trough from North Interior Karnataka to Komarin, and associated scissor is also there. And then there is also another cyclonic circulation in South Andaman Sea and around. And this forecast of this synoptic system is that western end of the monsoon trough at mean sea level is near its normal position, and eastern end is north of its normal position. This is the situation. The western end of the monsoon trough is very likely to shift northward during 2-3 days, and it is likely to put itself north of its normal position rest of the week. Then north-south trough here, which is running from North Interior Karnataka to Komarin area and across South Interior Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, in the lower troposphere, it will persist for next 2 days. Due to that, what will be the warning scenario here? We can see that heavy rain, we can see that it will occur over this Himalayan region, over northwest India as well as northeast region. And again we can see the peninsula region along the coast, also west coast we can see some heavy rainfall, but central India the heavy rainfall reduced, but then it will be reduced further on 29th, 30th it will be just over the foothills, and then 31st also so. And gradually about peninsula, Tamil Nadu region, extreme peninsula region will be getting good rain. So it will be as the monsoon trough will be locked to the near the foothills. So therefore this rainfall will be near foothills and also over southern peninsula region. And this is the forecast, 2-week forecast from our extended range forecast system. So here it is telling this is the actual the rain will happen week 1 and week 2. Here we can see this rain is mostly locked here near foothills and northern part, and the central parts we see that rainfall is reduced, and this peninsular region is also getting rainfall, although that orographic rainfall along west coast is there. But then next week that rainfall is again rainfall will shifted back towards central and southern peninsular region. So therefore we can see the anomaly here. This is the anomaly situation. Here we can see the northern region along the foothills, we can see the positive anomaly here, and this also peninsular region. And next week the again the foothills will not be getting so much rain, again it will be raining over central and peninsular adjoining peninsular India. So if we tell the rainfall forecast for the week, then fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy fall will be happening over Jammu and Kashmir, West Uttar Pradesh for next 2 days actually, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana for 3 days, then over Uttarakhand, East Uttar Pradesh nearly rest of the week. Rajasthan will be getting only today. Then isolated heavy rainfall over Punjab, North Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh for 2 days, Uttarakhand from 28th to 31st July. Then coastal and south interior Karnataka 28th July, and Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal region 31st July to 1st August, and South Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh 30th, 31st July, Assam, Meghalaya 28th to 31st July. Widespread light moderate rainfall with isolated heavy falls will be with thunderstorm, lightning over South Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura during the week. Isolated heavy falls we can see North Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, today Bihar, actually 29th to 3rd August, nearly for the week. Gangetic, West Bengal, 31st July, Rayalaseema, 30th July to 1st August, coastal Andhra Pradesh 31st July to 1st August, and coastal Karnataka 28th, 29th, again 1st August, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, South Interior Karnataka 28th July to 1st August, and Kerala 28th, 29th July, and again 31st July to 3rd August. Are widespread and scattered rainfall, light to moderate rainfall with thunderstorm lightning will be central, west and east of South India most of the days of the week, and as it is the monsoon season. And if we see the second week, so weather system as already told that monsoon trough is very likely to active and south of its normal position again during most of the days of the week. Second week, then rainfall will be fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with isolated heavy over central and peninsular India during the most of the days of the week. Rainfall activity is likely to be above normal over central and peninsular India. It is likely to be near normal over rest of the part of the country except Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Saurashtra and Kutch, where it will be normal. And if we see the cyclogenesis forecast for the next 2 weeks, there is no cyclogenesis likely over Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea during the next forecast of 2 weeks. So this is the weekly weather discussion today, but you can follow our website. We can also access our app through mobile. For more information, please follow the warning of heavy rainfall for this season and take care of yourself. Thank you.